Day.
Kaway-kaway pa.
Lida, happy birthday sabi na.
Happy birthday, Linday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Stay strong and healthy. Ingat, barmi dyan sa trabaho. God bless you more and more. Stay strong.
Stay strong.
We love you.
We love you. Para ba? We love you.
Mwah-mwah. Bye-bye. Salamat. Hello, Manay. May ate. May manager. Manay IC. Happy birthday to you. More power. Stay strong and healthy. Ingat pirmi. Salamat sa support. Always. God bless you more and more. Stay strong and ingat lagi. We love you, mwah-mwah. May Manay.
Yun, magandang araw, magandang buhay. Maligayang araw po sa inyong lahat, mga Lods. Hindi na ako magpaligoy-ligoy pa. Today, nandito ako para magbate ng maligayang kaarawan sa aming pinakamamahal na leader na very supportive sa aming lahat. Walang iba kundi si Colette TV. Yun, Lods, happy birthday to you and more birthday to come, and sana enjoy ka lagi sa bawat araw na dinadanas mo dyan. Ingat ka po, ingat ka po lagi sa trabaho mo, and po proud ako na nakilala kita dito sa mundo ng YT World, Lods Colette. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Dahil sa iyo pinatawa mo kami everyday sa mga live mo, dahil sa sobrang kulit mo talaga. Pero ngayon na special day mo, dapat wala kang problema na nasa puso mo na iniisip ngayon dahil special day mo. Enjoy ka sa araw ngayon, sa araw na to. Wish you more birthday to come sa'yo, Lods Colette TV. Go lang everyday. Thank you and happy birthday again.
Hi Sisi, happy birthday. Sis, kantahan mo na kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pagpasensyahan mo ng boses kasi since I hope you celebrate your birthday with full of joy and laughter. Sisi, sana matupad na mga wish mo dati at wish mo ngayon. Sis, thank you so much sis sa pagsagip sa akin dito sa mundo ng YT. Thank you so much sis sa pagiging ate mo sa amin. Dami mong anak ka. Sisi, hindi sa YT lang, kundi pati sa kabilang ibayo. Thank you so much sis sa pagiging very supportive mo. Thank you sa pa-banana, pa-watch hour, pa-coins, pa-Gcash, pag-manalo. Thank you so much Sisi sa pagiging palatawa mo. Kasi pag kasama ka namin sa live mo sa YT, pati kami napapatawa mo, na-enjoy mo kami, at hindi lang yan, kapag ka dumating ka na sa punto ng hulaan, narulusaw talaga utak namin, sis. Pero salamat talaga, sis, at nakilala ka namin. Sis, once again, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And wish you all the best. God bless sa iyo at sa iyong mundo ng YT. Sana magiging successful pa tayo nito. Sis, thank you so much sa pagtulong sa akin, ha. Salamat at enjoy your big day. God bless. Happy birthday once again. We love you. Bye.
Hello po, IC13. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat po sa pagiging supportive. Hope your birthday is as amazing as you are. God bless.
Good morning, Ate Colette. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a beautiful day and happiness and good health always. May all your dreams come true and have a amazing year ahead. Happy birthday.
Hey Ate Colette, happy birthday sa'yo. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Ingat ka palagi dyan and God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Colette.
Happy birthday to you, Manay. So, I dedicate this song for you. Today is your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrow, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaited day. You can hear the voices of your brothers and sisters singing a birthday song. Everyone is wishing a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Manay. So, dahil birthday niyo po, may isi-share po akong Bible verse para sa'yo. Psalm 118, verse 24. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. And Psalm 20, verse 4. May He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plan succeed. I hope na lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay mo, Manay, makakamit mo. And happy birthday, more birthday to come, and good health para sa'yo. And God bless. God bless.
Happy birthday, Manay. Happy birthday.
Ellie, this is Ellie. This is Eloy. Hi, Ate Mel. Happy birthday. Sila ako mapapakita sa iyo kay Shy ako. Alam mo naman, di kagandahan. Charot. Happy birthday nga pala sa iyo. Sana maligaya ka sa iyong kaarawan at salamat at nagkakilala tayo. Kasi ikaw yung one of my favorite puntahan pag naghahanap ako ng fireworks. Salamat kasi mula noon hanggang ngayon, ina-accept mo pa rin ako sa PL mo. Thank you so much and happy birthday from Eloy, Ellie, and ay nako, me, Naily. Thank you. Happy birthday. Amen. Happy
Happy birthday! Sige, kantahan mo na.
To you. Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Timel! From Nyler and Mama!
Happy birthday, man. I wish you all the best in life. I hope you happy in your birthday. More birthday to ka.
Hello, Manay. Happy birthday po. Mag-iingat ka po palagi. God bless.
So, yun. Happy birthday sa'yo, Manay. Wish you all the best. Sana happy ka ngayong birthday mo and more blessings to come and God bless. We love you.
Hello sis! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ano ba ang oras ngayon dyan? Birthday mo pala. Kailan ba birthday mo talaga? Ngayon? Okay. Anong date ba talaga? So, anyway, kahit hindi namin alam kung anong date talaga ang birthday mo, mag-greet na lang kami sa iyo. Ayan, happy birthday, happy birthday, many more birthdays to come, Sis Mel. How old are you today? Enjoy your day. Kung ngayon ba ang birthday mo o kung anong date ba yun, basta happy birthday and more blessings to come. Mag-ingat ka na lang lagi dyan. Kung nasaan ka man lugar, sa Macau ba, basta mag-iingat ka. Take care of yourself and God bless you always. I love you, Sis Mel. Bye! Mwah! Happy birthday! Kantahan mo na pala kita. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ito alam ko ang tuloy. Happy birthday! Saan ang inuman? Ganun lang. Happy birthday, Sis Mel. Bye! Love you, ma.